Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. You'd have probably seen Salt of Fells video the other week. So I thought on the way home I'd do, well, there's a lane here. I've done a couple and I thought, oh well, I've got the camera in the back so I might as well get it out. So just a quick one this week. I'm going to do a bit of a green lane on the 790 that we usually do on everything else, and it goes up there. So fancy a bit of green lane on the 790? Stick around, stay tuned. See you in a bit.
Like and subscribe.
Well, we'll go no problem this. I don't think you're going to fall over. I hope not anyway. I should have pulled over there really, not there. Bloody big numb thing, aren't they? They're just like, they're a bit like the 350s, 500s, but you point it in a direction and throttle it out. You're going to get there, and you have to be, well, not forceful with it. You got to man up and just do it, because if you don't, the thing's just gonna boss you, and then it'll just throw you off. Bit of mud and grass on over here. We've been on it not so long ago, do we? I think. And big ruts. Well, not big ruts, but good muddy ruts. It's not usually this bad through summer, I don't know. But yeah, you know, like I said before, if you think you're gonna buy one of these, then come on green lanes like this, ooh, and have this back end going like it is at the moment, you're not going to, because you've never ridden off-road. You know what I mean? And you're not going to have the skill or the confidence to do it. And that's what it's all about. I'm going to do a video in a week or so, which bike, my first off-road bike, and you're going to be surprised what I'm going to sort of tell you, because that is not your first off-road bike, no way. But yeah, well, this is where we're at. We're nearly home now. This is always a bit muddy around here and stuff, but yeah, so I don't think you're going to buy one of them. I think somebody just messaged me this morning, what do they ride like off-road? Oh, they're alright, if you can ride off-road. Don't be buying one of these things and thinking, oh, I'm going to start riding off-road. You're not going to. Don't buy one. Tenere's, That Tenere weighs 30 kilo more than this. I think this is 175. Them Teneres are 200 kilo. Whoa, 200 kilo. A GS is only 220. But none of you'll go and buy a GS and go and ride off that, will you? If we go and buy a Tenere for that's 200 kilo, that's only 20 kilo less than a GS, but you won't ride one of them. It's weird, really. These are 1.7, I'm sure these are 175, 179. They're a lot lighter than the 890s, I think another 15 kilo. But you're all put off, aren't you? Oh. You're all put off with the KTMs, with the cams. I've not checked this. I was going to check it at Christmas. I need to have a look inside it, see what it is, but it's only a few of them. People say it's all of them. It's not really. Anyway, yeah, just a little bit Green Lane, a bit of a short one. 790 Adventure. One of them is not your first bike, neither is a Tenere. So, if you enjoyed that little bit, give us a big thumbs up, thank you very much. If you aren't subscribed, give us a sub. If you haven't subscribed, give us a sub. Thank you very much. And don't forget, if you're riding out there, ride safe, be safe, keep safe. And if you are still riding, get yourself some of this. Some heated gear on. Get yourself out. And as I say, see you in a bit.
Like and subscribe.